guys, went to another episode of This At Our Show. I finally fucking caught up with No Game No Life on the last episode. This episode was pretty good. It's like a setup episode. It was setting up the whole battle between the Beastman and the Inmanity. Sora decided to bet the Inmanity against Ino and his daughter Inzuna due to the fact that he think he got them figured out like a theory or a rumor going around that Ino and his clan were able to read mind, but they wasn't able to read mind. They were able to tell that you were lying due to your body reaction, your heart rate, and your pulse just by looking at you. So basically, thought that Sora was, told by the previous king or whatever. The previous king made an oath to not tell anybody about clan, not to be able to, read minds. But it did not apply due to the fact that the previous king had died. Now Sora is about to engage into the most ultimate bet ever. If he lose, everybody will either get enslaved or executed. They call him a stupid king, they hate him, and they mad due to the fact that he will actually do something like that. Hopefully he will actually pull this off, or will he actually make a foolish bet. And another thing, Izuna, due to the fact that she is a cute little fluffy dog girl, they just could not stop touching her, and she's like, "Stop touching me, you asshole, please." I mean, her personality is just hilarious due to the fact that she would insult you and say please, that they please will actually make it polite, but please don't make it polite. It's still an insult. Great characterization for her. It was, she's very likable, and like I keep saying, Zabelle super likable due to the fact that she just starts slobbing every time she gets a chance to knowledge something like she just got wet. But anyway, tell you guys think about this. Make sure you guys rate, comment, and subscribe. If you want to watch this episode in the description below, and have a good one. Peace out.